of the lake. Ascends above the lake, I whisper softly, you are mine. Your gentle image fills my arms, glowing beneath the silver light. I hold you close within a dream. A quiet song begins to rise, like starlight flowing through my hands. You shine across the endless sky. When I am far beyond your window, remember me beneath the rain. No heavy words, no silent questions, just hear my voice and smile again. Find me again, I am waiting for you. Here in a dream we both recall. Every memory turns into music. Every moment answers your call. Love will be eternal, beyond the night, beyond the day. Just kiss me once beneath the stars, and let our hearts remain. When you are far beyond my doorway, I'll keep your name within my song. And if you ask me why I'm dreaming, I'll say I've loved you all along. The sky may open wide with wonder, the oceans rise to greet the sun. Through every road and every season, I'll follow where our dreams become one. With one hand I will raise a lantern and guide us through the silver haze. Then you will remember, I hope, the starlight shining in your gaze. You'll know my face within the morning. You'll hear my voice within the rain. And I believe you'll love me once more. We'll find our melody again. Find me again, I am waiting for you. Here in a dream we both recall. Every memory turns into music. Every moment answers your call. Love will be eternal, beyond the night, beyond the day. Just kiss me once beneath the stars, and let our hearts remain. Let us remain forever near, and never fade and never part. must always be held within the heart.